NASA has unveiled a new and astonishing discovery. This single image could have significant repercussions on religious people worldwide. According to reports, NASA may have encountered an extraordinary cosmic phenomenon that has been hidden for decades. What is this amazing discovery, and what does it mean for the nature of existence? Join us as we take a look at the mysterious city of God. The leaked image from NASA emerged as an intriguing photograph from the depths of their archives. However, this image resurfaced recently, reigniting speculation on social media and raising questions about what it could mean for humanity and religion. On December 26, 1994, scientists at NASA's headquarters were stunned by the images captured by the Hubble telescope. Within the vast expanse of space, the photograph taken by the telescope revealed an incredible sight, a vast white city suspended in the cosmic void. This discovery sent waves of astonishment through the NASA team, who had to grapple with the implications of this divine image. Was the world ready to understand the significance of this image? Perhaps this image indicated the true power behind the universe. The Hubble web server was typically reserved for classified research. However, in this case, the photo mysteriously became public within minutes, spreading rapidly across the internet and capturing the imagination of millions worldwide. The US government quickly intervened to control public unrest and prevent the spread of information by classifying the images. Despite these efforts, the images had already reached the public and were circulating among curious individuals eager to uncover the secrets hidden amidst the chaos. A photographer at Ellington Airfield managed to capture snapshots of the image, revealing a breathtaking galactic landscape filled with tall structures, pillars, and columns. In a critical moment of scientific investigation, formations resembling human-made architecture were examined in detail by Professor Ken Wilson of the University of Florida, using a powerful magnifying glass on the photograph taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. Wilson studied the details of the image. His meticulous work focused on a strange misty spot that defied conventional explanations, revealing an unusual shape unlike anything seen before, causing uncertainty within the scientific community. NASA experts quickly dismissed this possibility. In response to the perplexing discovery, they evaluated the likelihood of a transmission error or lens refraction, confirming that the image itself was perfect due to the telescope being in perfect condition. NASA representatives called for an urgent meeting to create a plan to retake the image. Perhaps this time, they could capture the area of interest with much higher precision. The Hubble telescope was reprogrammed for maximum resolution, and its lenses were carefully aligned to focus on the mysterious section of the cosmos. The world held its breath as scientists awaited the results of the mission, while the telescope captured the scene. When the image appeared on the projection screen, a shape from the depths of space was projected onto the laboratory, broken only by the collective gasp of astonishment from the assembled researchers. The once vague misty spot had transformed into a mesmerizing display. There was a structure shining in the middle, resembling an extremely futuristic city sprawling across the vast expanse of the universe. This structure defied all logic and senses and was considered one of the greatest mysteries of the universe. While some thought it to be a celestial heaven or a realm where deceased souls resided, to many at NASA, these ideas seemed more like legend than serious scientific inquiry. As researchers delved deeper into the images captured by the Hubble telescope, they began to question whether this was truly the city where God resided. They uncovered a fascinating discovery. They found that the city was not just floating in space, but also displayed dynamic movement synchronized with Earth. The galaxies it traveled through during this motion aligned with the fundamental principles of the Big Bang theory and adhered to the established laws of the universe's expansion and evolution. Scientists could not believe this and began exploring much of the city by visualizing the far corners of the universe. On a large scale, similar to a 3D model projected onto a vast screen, they discovered an intriguing phenomenon contrary to conventional beliefs. The universe did not seem to be moving away from the observer, as if Earth itself were drifting away from God's city. Could this lead advanced computer modeling researchers to think of a potential central hub in the cosmos? These mysteries, solving each piece of the puzzle, provide new insights into the complex workings of the universe. This situation forces humanity to think beyond the limits of traditional knowledge and to speculate about the wonders in places our world cannot reach. Many claims have emerged regarding NASA's reported efforts. The reason behind the alleged cover-up remains unclear, but the speculation about why such a profound cosmic discovery would be hidden is considered by some to be a decision to withhold the most important scientific data ever recorded. However, there are many doubts about these reasons, especially the fear of global panic. Since the information has already been leaked, the decision by governments to conceal it does not seem logical. After meticulous scrutiny, the photograph reveals intricate details that defy conventional explanations. The celestial entity's structures depicted in the image resemble tower domes and even what appears to be a watchtower, suggesting an expansive galactic city with strikingly futuristic and unusual geography amidst these architectural features. Initially mistaken for a newly discovered star cluster due to their vibrant hues, the angelic beings were identified through further analysis. These luminous entities bore a striking resemblance to living organisms. NASA sources found that these angel figures emitted a bright orange glow, contributing to their surreal nature. Each discovery report indicates the sighting of a group of angels flying near the 3-billion-year-old star cluster, NGC 3532. Initially, the anomaly was thought to be due to a malfunction in the $1.5 billion Hubble telescope. However, subsequent investigations revealed much clearer images depicting angelic entities approximately 50 feet tall, adorned with ethereal halos and wings enveloped in mist-like auras. Could this be the first recorded image of angels? A space engineer reported that the entities observed in the Hubble telescope images stood about 50 feet tall. Their wingspans rivaled those of aircraft. Their faces appeared calm and friendly, exuding a sense of joy as they posed for the celestial photograph. Their expressions conveyed a captivating narrative of angelic encounters, as if imparting a significant revelation to the cosmos. This is not limited to this singular event. In 1985, a scientist who defected from Russia revealed that Soviet cosmonauts encountered similar luminous beings during a space mission several years earlier. Claims that such celestial entities might be abundant in the cosmos are growing, with the anticipation of evidence emerging as discoveries continue. The prospect of uncovering proof of angels' existence looms with the ongoing work of the James Webb Telescope, which aims to shed more light on this mysterious phenomenon. The unveiling of angel images on the day after Christmas in 1994 adds another layer of intrigue to the story. According to the narrative, the timing of this revelation is something to be noted. Could there be an underlying reason for this celestial display to appear during a time traditionally associated with themes of goodwill and spiritual reflection? Christmas is a time filled with warmth, compassion, and spiritual feelings. This period creates an atmosphere that helps embrace the extraordinary and the divine. The emergence of such extraordinary images during the holiday season invites reflection on the intersection of science and spirituality regarding the mysteries of the cosmos. The timing of the image's release, strategically set after Christmas, seems calculated to capture public attention. People generally exhibit high spiritual sensitivity after Christmas, making them more open to miracles and celestial significance. Such timing can generate broad interest and aims to quickly spread the story to different audiences. While some claim that NASA unexpectedly confirmed the image's authenticity, the accuracy of the elements depicted in the image remains uncertain. The question of whether it is real or fictional remains unanswered. However, the consequences of NASA's discovery of mysterious evidence have led to claims of misinformation spreading through various religious traditions for decades. A similar narrative emerged in 2016 with another visual circulating online showing the gates of heaven within a nebula. The accompanying captions claimed that scientists faced many obstacles in finding this depiction. It was noted that heaven was adorned with light spikes extending into space. Closer inspection revealed an interesting anomaly. The arrangement of these spikes contradicted the expected diffraction patterns seen in images taken by mirror-based telescopes, like the characteristic diffraction spikes of the James Webb Space Telescope. Mirror-based telescopes produce these spikes due to the interaction of light with the primary mirror and support struts, typically prominent around bright stars. Unlike the distinct cross-shaped diffraction spikes observed in Hubble images, the mysterious image of heaven had spikes scattered like raised eyebrows. The multitude of irregularly distributed spikes in the image suggests a deviation from Hubble's characteristic diffraction pattern. However, the presence of scattered spikes does not definitively debunk the image's authenticity. It raises doubts about its origin. The inconsistency in the observed diffraction pattern indicates that Hubble did not capture this image. However, the image's authenticity was later debunked, revealing it as an artwork created by artist Adam Ferris. The image was inspired by a Hubble snapshot of Messier 17. Ferris used a pixel sorting technique to manipulate the image and create the so-called gates of heaven. However, Ferris never claimed the authenticity of his work. Third parties seized this narrative, linking the story of the gates of heaven to the artwork. The publication, initially appearing in a World News article titled Heaven, photographed by the Hubble telescope, had a notorious reputation for sensational content. They often reported on topics like half-bat, half-human hybrids, and extraterrestrial beings. However, this depiction of the heavens piqued public interest, as NASA had prepared. Meanwhile, scientists at NASA were busy with Hubble's latest repair for a retake. According to the publication, they were attempting to address corrective measures to fix the mirror defect and capture clearer images. The grayscale image appeared to depict a distant urban landscape, or perhaps a structure situated on a celestial hilltop, silhouetted against a starry backdrop. The bright beams of light emanating from the city's surroundings extended into space at strange angles, contributing to the spiritual ambience of the image. Skeptics argue that the arrangement of these beams is unnatural and points to an artificial source, given that observations from telescopes like the Hubble and James Webb Space Telescopes revealed different diffraction spike patterns around bright celestial bodies. Such distortions, common in astronomical imaging, are typically negligible when observing large and diffuse objects like galaxies, but they become more pronounced in images of intensely bright stars. Therefore, the presence of numerous similar spikes in the image has raised questions about its authenticity. These doubts have begun to overshadow the narrative of NASA discovering heaven. However, this does not definitively debunk the existence of such an image or NASA's potential to uncover celestial events. If such an image exists, it suggests the possibility of its origin and validity being incorrect. Dr. Masson, allegedly involved in leaking the photograph from NASA, states that the image is genuine and that the telescope was directed at a star cluster. This might require expertise in photography. Upon closer examination, the celestial city appears to be surrounded by stars. Determining the authenticity of the alleged space photograph remains challenging due to limited access. Dr. Masson and other scientists mentioned in the weekly magazine are reported to have been involved in capturing the image along with NASA personnel. However, the mysterious part is that these individuals are currently unreachable. Without direct contact with these individuals, verifying whether the photograph was indeed taken in space becomes nearly impossible. If the image is from space, its content appears different from typical astronomical objects like stars, planets, or galaxies. This situation, viewed alongside the timeline of events surrounding the Hubble Space Telescope repairs, leads to speculation that it could potentially depict God's celestial city. The images following the first repair in 1993, reported to have been completed in mid-December, were transmitted to Earth on December 26, 1993, and then officially released by NASA on January 13, 1994. This implies they were likely transmitted to Earth between December 9, 1993 and January 13, 1994. On December 2, 1993, the Space Shuttle Endeavour embarked on a mission with 7 crew members to conduct repairs and spacewalks over 5 days. This mission likely contributed to post-repair operations and transmissions from the Hubble Space Telescope during this period. NASA's Space Shuttle Endeavour embarked on a transformative journey to enhance the capabilities of the Hubble Space Telescope. Significant modifications included replacing the high-speed photometer with the fine guidance sensor and the original wide-field and planetary camera with the newer WFPC-2. In addition, various maintenance tasks, such as replacing solar panels and hardware components, were performed. Following these extensive repairs and upgrades, operations were completed on December 9th. NASA unveiled the first set of images taken by the new and improved James Webb Space Telescope. The clarity and resolution of these images exceeded expectations, marking a significant milestone in the telescope's journey with its enhanced capabilities. We embarked on a renewed quest to uncover the mysteries of the universe. Among the new discoveries of the James Webb Space Telescope is the mysterious red rectangle nebula, known as HD 44179. Recognized for its distinctive shape and color observable with ground-based telescopes, this nebula revealed unprecedented details when observed through the advanced lens of the James Webb Telescope. Within the nebula, intricate ladder-like structures surrounding a dying star bear intriguing similarities to the immortalized celestial city. The parallels with God's city highlight the profound complexity and mystery affecting our understanding of the universe, encouraging further exploration. When viewed from the side, these gas cone projections resemble nested wine glasses, challenging traditional understandings of celestial phenomena and leading to a deeper examination of God's city. The complexities of the universe defy expectations, presenting an X-shaped structure rather than a conventional rectangle, thus challenging established notions of cosmic order. At the heart of the red rectangle, this unexpected geometry underscores the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of the cosmos. A dying star, in a display of celestial renewal and transformation, ejects its outer layers, transforming the nebula into a distinct pair of conical structures reflecting the mysterious movements observed within God's city. The symbiotic relationship between the central star and the surrounding nebula mirrors their interconnectedness, the manifestations of cosmic phenomena, reminding us of the universe's boundless complexity, serve as evidence of the cosmos's awe-inspiring and often surprising nature, whether connected to heaven or not. The allure of outer space continues to captivate humanity. At the center of this fascination, with its mysteries millions of galaxies away, lies the James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of modern technology. But how does this extraordinary instrument operate above Earth's atmosphere? Orbiting our planet every 97 minutes, the telescopes have the ability to capture high-resolution images and precise spectra harnessing the brilliance of starlight. The James Webb Space Telescope is now tasked with turning back time to the era when galaxies were still forming. Positioned over 13 billion light-years away, it can now focus its gaze on galaxies at the edge of the observable universe. To achieve this, JWST uses a giant mirror almost 6.5 meters in size. This larger mirror allows it to capture finer details of distant celestial objects, like God's city, producing more precise images. Similar to a larger bucket collecting more rainwater, it gathers more light compared to a smaller mirror. This size of mirror posed unprecedented challenges for space deployment. Innovative approaches were developed to ensure the mirror's weight remained within launch constraints, while maintaining its strength. The 2.4-meter mirror of the Hubble Space Telescope would have been impractically heavy if scaled for JWST. Therefore, the team selected beryllium as the primary mirror material due to its extraordinary strength-to-weight ratio. Each mirror segment is designed to remain lightweight and strong, weighing 20 kilograms. This delicate balance between durability and weight efficiency is one of the factors that provide JWST with superior image quality. This pioneering construction method enables JWST to achieve extraordinary scientific capabilities previously unattainable in space-based observatories. The demand for observation time on the spacecraft reflects the indispensable role of the JWST in advancing astronomical research. Astronomers worldwide are lining up to use the cutting-edge capabilities of the JWST, which provides precise results when deployed in space. Aligning the mirrors to focus accurately on distant galaxies presents another challenging issue. The solution lies in small mechanical motors. 6 motors, known as actuators, are placed behind each mirror segment, including the primary and secondary mirrors, facilitating the necessary fine adjustments. To achieve optimal focus, an additional actuator is located in the center of each primary mirror segment, allowing adjustments in curvature and ensuring seamless alignment, while the tertiary mirror remains fixed, completing the complex mechanism of mirror manipulation. However, maintaining the ideal temperature of the mirrors presents another challenge for observing faint infrared light emitted by the oldest stars and galaxies. The JWST must operate in the infrared spectrum because warm objects emit infrared radiation. To prevent interference, the telescope's mirrors need to be much colder than the Hubble Space Telescope's mirrors. Thus, the JWST's mirrors are cryogenically cooled to approximately -220 degrees Celsius. This extremely cold temperature is necessary to maintain the telescope's sensitivity to infrared emissions from distant celestial objects. To provide and maintain this cold environment, the JWST is located in deep space, far from Earth's thermal effects. This ingenious thermal management system effectively isolates the mirrors and instruments from the sun's heat, while also isolating them from the relatively warm spacecraft, allowing the JWST's mirrors to cool to the required temperature and enabling groundbreaking observations of the universe's oldest and most mysterious phenomena. However, the priceless data rely on a complex communication network, as the cosmic expanse cannot be traversed alone. Initiated by the telescope, this cosmic transmission sends its observations to a satellite within the Tracking and Data Relay Satellite System, which then transfers them to orbit. From there, the signal embarks on a journey to Earth and lands here. The JWST's mission embodies the spirit of extraordinary international cooperation. This is more than just a NASA initiative. It represents a collaborative effort with the European Space Agency. The James Webb Space Telescope stands as a testament to human creativity and cooperation in the field of space research. Cutting-edge technology and collaborative ethics deepen our understanding of the universe in the cosmic journey of exploration. It remains a symbol of humanity's insatiable curiosity and quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, shedding light on the vast unknown with every observation. Cosmic mysteries represent a monumental breakthrough in humanity's exploration of the cosmos and the secrets of our origins. With its advanced capabilities, Webb delves deeply into cosmic history, from the first moments following the Big Bang to the complex processes shaping galaxies, stars, and planets, including our solar system. Functioning as a cosmic time machine, the system uses its infrared vision to look back 13.5 billion years. Its unique sensitivity to infrared radiation allows astronomers to examine the faintest and oldest galaxies through this comparative network, juxtaposing them with modern celestial structures like spirals and ellipticals. Providing insights into the gradual evolution of galaxies over billions of years, the JWST also possesses remarkable ability to penetrate dense dust clouds that obscure visibility for traditional visible light observatories like the Hubble Space Telescope. By peering through these dust veils, the The JWST reveals the intricate processes underlying birth, enriching our understanding of cosmic evolution.